watermelon, the iconic fruit of summer, loved for its sweetness and juiciness. But this seemingly simple fruit is far more than a refreshing snack. It's a treasure trove of health benefits that many overlook. Beyond its vibrant color and delightful flavor, watermelon is a nutritional powerhouse. But what if I told you this fruit holds secrets that could transform your health, boost your energy, and even improve your performance? Loaded with essential vitamins like A and C, watermelon strengthens your immune system and adds a natural glow to your skin. Its lycopene content acts as a shield against certain cancers, potassium balances your blood pressure, and its fiber aids digestion. Yet the most exciting secret lies in its unique compound citrulline. This amino acid has earned watermelon the title of nature's VIAGRA, and for good reason. Curious to know how this fruit enhances not only physical, but also intimate aspects of your health? Keep watching, you'll be amazed by what watermelon can do. Watermelon's history traces back thousands of years to Africa, where it was first cultivated as a hydrating food in arid climates. Over centuries, it became a global favorite, gracing the tables of everyone from ancient kings to modern picnickers. Nutritionally, watermelon is extraordinary. It's over 90% water, making it perfect for hydration, but it also packs potassium, crucial for healthy blood pressure, vitamin C, which fortifies your immune defenses, lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to cancer prevention, and most notably citrulline, which aids vascular health and supports sexual performance. These nutrients elevate watermelon from a simple fruit to a symbol of vitality. Imagine a fruit that not only quenches your thirst but also enhances your well-being on multiple levels. And we're just getting started. Now, let's dive into what truly makes watermelon extraordinary: citrulline. When consumed, citrulline transforms into another amino acid called arginine, which then boosts the production of nitric oxide. So, why is nitric oxide a big deal? Nitric oxide is a natural compound that relaxes blood vessels, improving circulation. This effect is crucial for cardiovascular health, muscle recovery, and yes, sexual performance. Medications like Viagra leverage the same mechanism, but watermelon offers a natural, safe, and delicious alternative without side effects. In fact, a groundbreaking study in Italy showed that consuming 350 grams of watermelon daily for just 1 month led to a 65% improvement in erection quality among men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. And this benefit isn't limited to men. Better circulation means improved sexual health for everyone. Imagine boosting your performance and energy levels simply by enjoying this delicious fruit. No artificial chemicals, no prescriptions, just nature doing what it does best. The effects of watermelon on sexual health extend beyond just physical improvements. Enhanced blood flow supports better stamina, boosts confidence, and fosters deeper connections in relationships. But the benefits don't stop there. Watermelon's impact on nitric oxide production has long-term effects, supporting vascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease, and even aiding athletic recovery. By improving your body's natural circulation, watermelon helps you maintain not only physical vitality, but also mental clarity and emotional balance. Think of it as a fruit that cares for your overall well-being, from your heart to your relationships. Adding watermelon to your diet is a small change with big rewards. Watermelon isn't just about performance, it's about comprehensive health. Here are more reasons to love this fruit: cancer protection. Lycopene is especially effective against prostate cancer. Digestive health. Its high fiber content prevents constipation and supports gut health. Blood pressure control. Potassium keeps hypertension in check. Hydration and muscle recovery. Watermelon juice reduces muscle soreness and speeds recovery after exercise. And for those watching their weight, watermelon is low in calories yet incredibly filling, making it a guilt-free treat. Whether you're pursuing better health, weight management, or just a delicious snack, watermelon checks all the boxes. Now that we've uncovered watermelon's incredible benefits, let's talk about a fun way to enjoy it: Aqua Fresca. This classic Mexican drink is both refreshing and packed with all the goodness of watermelon. Here's how to make it. Blend diced watermelon until smooth. Add freshly squeezed lime juice for a tangy kick. Strain the mixture to remove seeds and pulp. Pour the liquid into a pitcher, add ice and chill for at least an hour. The result? A vibrant, hydrating drink perfect for hot summer days. For an extra twist, garnish with fresh mint leaves. Aqua Fresca isn't just a drink, it's a celebration of health and flavor. Watermelon is more than a summer fruit. It's a symbol of health, vitality, and joy. Its natural ability to enhance nitric oxide production impacts everything from your heart to your sexual health, proving that nature truly knows best. If you found this video helpful, show your support by liking it and subscribing to our channel, Symptoms Channel. We're here to bring you fascinating health insights every week. Let watermelon inspire you to embrace a healthier, happier lifestyle. Stay tuned for more amazing tips, and until next time, take care.